If you're someone who enjoys preparing hearty soups, stews, sauces, or even pasta, you know how essential a quality stockpot is. When it comes to durability, functionality, and health-conscious cooking, the Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot stands out as one of the best options on the market. This versatile soup pot is designed to cater to all your cooking needs while keeping your health and convenience in mind. Let's dive into why the Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot should be your next kitchen upgrade. Why choose the Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot? With its versatile design, even heating, and healthy construction, the Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Here's a recap of why you should invest in this durable, multifunctional stockpot. 10-quart capacity. Perfect for large meals or batch cooking. Tri-ply bottom ensures even heat distribution and faster cooking. Tempered glass lid with steam vent for easy food monitoring. Healthy and non-toxic stainless steel construction with no harmful coatings. Compatible with all stovetops including induction. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Key features of the Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot. Number 1. Multifunctional cooking pot for all your needs. Whether you're simmering stocks, making a large pot of soup, preparing pasta, or canning vegetables, this 10-quart stockpot is the perfect size and shape to tackle all your recipes. Here's a quick look at the variety of uses this stockpot can handle. Simmering stocks and soups. The deep size allows you to make large batches of your favorite soups, broths, and stocks. Stews and sauces. From a rich beef stew to a flavorful marinara sauce, this pot can handle it all. Pasta and boiling vegetables. The wide, deep structure makes it easy to cook pasta, potatoes, and even boil corn on the cob. Canning. With its 10-quart capacity, you can use this stockpot for canning your homemade jams, sauces, and more. Number 2. Reflective finish for easy cleaning and attractive appearance. No one wants to spend time scrubbing away at stubborn stains. The Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot features a reflective finish inside and out, ensuring that not only does it look attractive on your stovetop, but it also allows for easy cleaning. Easy to clean. The reflective surface resists food stains, making it simple to wipe away splashes and spills. Durable design. The finish helps the stockpot maintain its like-new appearance, even after multiple uses. Number 3. Tri-ply bottom for even heating. There's nothing worse than unevenly cooked food, and Leugwakn understands that. This stainless steel stockpot is equipped with a tri-ply bottom that ensures even heating throughout the pot. This feature provides several benefits. Uniform cooking. Heat is distributed evenly across the surface, preventing hot spots and burning. Faster cooking. The efficient heat transfer allows you to cook meals faster, saving time in the kitchen. Better flavor. Even heating enhances the flavor and texture of your food, ensuring that your meals come out perfectly every time. Number 4. Tempered glass lid with steam vent. The Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot comes with a tempered glass lid, which is not only durable, but also incredibly useful. Here's why it's a must-have. Steam vent. The lid has a built-in steam vent that allows you to control the steam, preventing spills and ensuring safe cooking. View your food. The transparent glass lid lets you keep an eye on your cooking without having to lift the lid, which helps preserve heat and moisture. Easy to use. The lid's design allows for a secure fit while providing the flexibility to adjust steam levels as needed. Number 5. Safe and healthy cooking. No non-stick coatings. Many stockpots on the market come with non-stick coatings, but did you know that these coatings can release harmful toxins when exposed to high heat? The Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot doesn't have any non-stick coatings, making it a healthier choice for cooking. Non-toxic cooking. The stainless steel cookware is free from any harmful chemicals like Teflon, which can release toxic fumes when overheated. Safe cooking. With no coatings that can wear off over time, this pot ensures a safe cooking experience with no risk of ingesting harmful substances. Number 6. Suitable for all stovetops. The Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot is designed to be compatible with all stovetops, including induction stovetops, gas stovetops, electric stovetops, ceramic and halogen stovetops. The tri-ply bottom ensures it works seamlessly on any type of stovetop, giving you flexibility no matter what cooking appliances you use. Whether you have an induction cooktop or a traditional gas stove, this pot is versatile and ready for all your cooking needs. Number 7. Dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. After a long cooking session, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing your cookware. The Leugwakn 10-quart stockpot is dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is quick and easy. Simply place it in the dishwasher, and you're done. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.